Hi, welcome to New Traders, a new video. Today's video gonna be little boring, and if you came here for a short video to quick guide, you can skip it. This video is going to be our weekly scan, how we process through the scan and what we do or how we select the stocks. These are EMAs I follow. These are the volume, and this is RSI. We'll take need of RSI, but for now, let's skip RSI and only we'll go through for the price action. What you see in Ola Electric, we'll check on weekly, looks interesting. On daily also looks interesting. Then we'll keep in our red list. Okay, then we'll go through. GTL infrastructure, not good. IFCI, not good. Not good. Roto pumps, okay. And given a great move. This one is already in our watch list, but we'll add again in a red list. Red list is like track list. After red list, we'll filter it again on a different list so that it will give a clear picture to what to trade tomorrow. Okay. Relaxo also good. HCC, one of the good trade have been taken here by others I've seen. Bharat Cooking Coal, Remco Industries, not good. We'll check it again on if it comes again our daily scan, then we'll take Misha. Yeah, already been tracking this one. Crow looks interesting, but we'll give time. HFCL, no. Tata vehicle, Tata cons, the yeah, Tata Motors commercial. Let's see how it goes. This one is a great trade, but we missed. It's okay. Yeah, Morgan Laboratories. We have traded this guy. Still, my position are there. Some of position are there. HSCL, Bank of Maharashtra. Interesting. Tourism Finance Corporation. No, not good. FCL. We'll skip. Physics wala. A good name. Caught my eye. Interesting structure also. Mahindra and Mahindra Financial. This guy is also good, but there's something we need. This weeks it's okay, but let's see how the contraction or pullback is going on. This one is interesting. These stocks are some of them you can trade on weekly, some of them you can trade on daily basis, but there's a 2-3 setup I follow, and my stock selection is based on this setup. So if you are like planning to learn this setup, then this stock selection will be good for you. Like this one is TC. Okay, so when you see this kind of consolidation, there's something you have to be aware of, and this one is a good stock, clean stock. Tejas Networks might be go might give a good move. That Tejas Network. Confipet is already a good trade. We have oh god, but yeah. PX Transmission. IIFL Finance, not good. Fashion, yeah. Been tracking this guy. Volatile, but yeah, might happen something like turn around and all, and it's above 50 also. Let's see. This guy, Paras Defense, interesting stock. Gave a good move. Now, need time. Really, it's need time. Dynamic cables. See how PP acted here. So good. So brilliant. This might give a PV, but the way it's setting up, I'll happily skip it. It can go 20%, but it's okay. Ricotta. One of good name, and this is something a big time frames play. Ricotta. You can see this volatility in a big time frame, right? So I'll skip this guy from now. In Swift Laboratories, see this TC. This is a brilliant TC, and it has tested your patience well. There might be a good trade if you have, if it's give a another TC, but I'll not I'll not look it on for PV. It will not give you any PV here. And VCP will be the best for this guy if it gives a VCP. So when really trapped here in this one, some reports came and its support zone is stretched from here, and it's showing like how it's getting support from this sun, and might we give a good move now. It might start moving a good way. And there's something in Suben. Let me this guy. India is so limited. If you see this stock is brilliantly good now building up, but let's see how the bigger time frames are not so healthy. So okay only. And yeah, other time frames are also same. But it can give a 10% move from here, or who knows, 4-5%. 4-5% will be easy here, but the way it's going up, it will face the resistance and come back down. Adani Total Gas. Let's skip it. Yeah, this guy is going since here, and it's already doubled up. So it can go again. For this kind of guys, there is no ceiling, and they can go with this 9 EMA. See how it's respecting the 9 EMA, but if it's returns, it can return like sharp fall. So be prepared for that also if you're trading this stock. Reflex, I finance. Skip it. Netwave. Let's skip it for now. Kirloskar Oil Engineering. Let's keep it for now. Jai Bharat Maruti. Yeah, this one is interesting setup. Like, see how PB PB acted here also, PB acted here also. That's a good setup for PB. Good stock for PB. If your stock is giving you PB once or twice, it can give you multiple times. So keep an eye on this kind of stocks. Let me give it. Okay. Here also you can see PB once, twice, right? TC. Yeah, good. Electra, a good name. And it gave in a previous up move. You can see how it gave move in previous time, and it's setting up again. This was a good stock. uh yes, now it's after this candle it's really confusing to say like it will give a PB or TC, but TC will be better, really. PB, because the PB structure already gone, and TC will be a better choice for this one. Card trade. Work hard. Pharma. Work pharma, really not interesting. People I saw into like Twitter, people are buying this stock, but I'm not interested in this guy. I could have brought in this zone, in this zone, in this breakout, but not here. I don't like this guy. Really, 8% sudden down, and then again, if you see 7%, and you are trading in this zone, let's give a good move. Then again, a pullback. Then again, a breakout. That will be a better plan for this guy. This one is good, but there is also 10% circuit with gap down and 4%. This one you need to keep in mind, but the way it move up, it's okay. TD power, not good. Zentech, the way it fall, lovely. Denta, this guy is really making me think about this stock, but it's okay. Let's see how the other consolidation is taking. Star Health, Star the good consolidation. Might be give a good baby setup here. Data patterns, not GRSA. Where is your paints? Look decent. Not bad, not good. Look decent only. Glen Pharma. It's also look decent, but not so interesting setup. It will do something like a trade we have taken recently. It will do something like that. Okay, I'll share the name. Vimta Labs. A good trade we took here. Goldium International. When I was watching this talk, I thought it will go for PV, but there is also PV. Still, it's PV, but it will shape in a TC, and then it will take support from this guy. This to support you were saying, and this kind of things can happen. Tata Communication. This one's TC. Good TC. This kind of stocks can do this thing. Used to do this thing, like when you will trade, you will see they will come to a pivot zone. After they will take support. When it, if it's support or if it's a resistance, they will get resistance. They will take resistance. But you need to also understand that these are zones, not a single line. So, and this line also helping here. B box not good. EPL. IAFL caps. This is also interesting when you see this. See, interesting, right? And it will go on TC. D-Link looks decent only, not good, not bad. Only decent. This guy, look at this guy. I was tracking it from before, and the way it's shaping up, it's interesting. You can't say this one is TC, I mean decent. This one is TC, absolutely, but not decent. It better than decent. It's a good one. Now everything shapes upon you, how you are trading, how you're planning on this guy. But a really interesting one. This is also TC, and yeah, interesting guy. The only bad thing in Omni is this guy, sudden 7-8% off. Otherwise, everything is fine. And this guy is also not bad. One way it's bad. It's a big number drop, but one way it's also good because of the liquidity. Star Avalon looks like TC, right? Kirloskar Brothers, not good. MTR Tech, it's interesting, like the way it's going on. I think if it's give up, like if it doesn't shape in DC and it's continue the move being PV only, then it will be a good for this guy. Perfect. ABDL. Decent TC, you can say. Green X. Hmm. This one is also interesting. TC, I'll say. Good luck, India. Not good one. Average or below average, you can consider this one. Q power. Q power really moved well. Not now, but before it really moved well. But it got socket now. 5% socket. This one, this is one of the great PP setup I've traded. But I booked my profit in this candle, and that it's okay. But still, we have made a good profit, and the way it came, so brilliant. NISCL might act as a PV, but need something, need good something. India Bulls. India Bulls are good here. India Bulls we found here, and this was a good move. This was a really good move. India Bulls. Again, something around PV, but need to see some, let's say, support or demand. This guy is still good, above 200. Needs something. Exicom. This one is really interesting. Now, I don't think it will go for PV. Instead, it will go for TC. It will really go for TC, and if it goes for TC, it will be a good setup for trading this guy. Same goes with Aeroflex Enterprise. TC will be good for this one also. It's a good up move. Now, if we get a clear TC, then we might get a good move. CFX up be acted here. SKM Egg Products Export has a good example of TC. What is TC and PV? Question would become on your mind, right? What is TC and PV? TC and PV are set up what new age traders or the framework of setup like I follow, and those who are enrolled in new age trader, they also follow these setups. What is the specialty in this setup? It's simple. It's really simple. That's the specialty, and you will get every time. Like every day, if you scan, you will get some stock, and it's your job to filter it out. Which one you need to trade, which one you need to skip. CIL looks interesting, but it is a decent one, not that excellent or great. PB setup will give, but a decent one. There's some principle, and especially in TC setup, there is some rules also you have to follow. Nitco, so maybe PB, but PB will be good for Nitco. Cokex. This one is a weekly scan, so you will see many stock here. PNB Glitz. You know one stock name in Swift. And now see, now it's your observation skill. I'll not say. Krishna. Raymond Limited. Decent. Raymond is decent. Supros. Average. You can still track this one. This one is also average. Blue Spring Enterprise. SOTL. SOTL, right? Okay. So discussing about this guy once. I had a discussion with someone. about this guy. Now see how it's going on. KRBL. Park Medi. Park Medi walls or wall look somehow interesting, but a decent one. For TC, a decent one. Not good, not great. And it will not consider as PV, it will consider as TC. Park Medi. Still have some stock left. Let's complete it and then we'll go through again the stock we have selected from there. Trimex. Trimex is interesting for TC. TBZ. This one is interesting. Really interesting one, TBZ. And a PV at TC, maybe a TC will be a better one for this one now. A PV already made. Hashtag Bluestone. Yeah, SSPL. Nelco. Nelco Limited looks recent for TC. There's concept in TC and PV, not concept, effect. Like TC means patience. You need to keep patience for TC. When you are trading a TC setup, you should need have to be patience. But when you are trading a PV setup, it can be a quick. You can trade PV quickly. You need to give time patience for TC. If you have a good observation skill, you can really make a really make good use of this setup and the framework. Like there's some rules, how to buy, how to sell, everything, right? And when we're trading with this setup, you need to follow these rules. Hindware. Hindware, I was planning a PV, but after this candle, TC will be much good, but it can also give a PV, so have to keep eye on it. And when we're trading with TC, it's really important to keep eye every time, like Tibotec. What do you think? TC will be better for this guy, right? Or a decent trade will be there. Tarsons. Interesting. But TC will be good for this guy also. Ismo. This guy we can skip because see the volumes. How many stock we got? 48, right? Now we have to filter out from these guys because not filter out. We have to keep us some on the focus list that we can get opportunity for tomorrow. Trimex, Gland Pharma, Virgin Paints, Quad Future, J Bharat Suven, and all this stock. If you can go through every chart and you can study them. You can study them. These are the stock I'll track for next week. I'll share this names. I'll share this watch list with you guys, and there's something interesting I need to show you if you are interested in. Let me show you about this. See how this guy gave a good setup here for you to trade, and also gave a good setup here for you to trade. But I missed it because this day when it came here when it broke this low, I removed it from my focus zone, focus list. So, and I didn't have proper time, and I was away from trading, so really missed this opportunity. But I don't regret. There's more Remco system I'll get, and this PB and TC setup with the VCP, if I get, will be perfect for trading a stock, and this stock will give me a good move. You can see this watch list, you can track this watch list, and you will get to understand how this setup works. So I'll wrap up this video and if you're interested in learning these setups, the admission is already open, and our July batch will start from next week. Our July batch will start from next week, and first class of July will held on next weekend. So if you're interested, sign up for the first class, and if you're interested, please give a query. You'll get the IDs and all in the Telegram channel. See ya.